the colors. The gold, the diamonds, the colors.
Look at this. Look at the colors.
The colors? Oh, yes. Only clever people can see the clothes.
The red of the rose and the green of the trees.
The green of the trees?
Yes, yes.
Do you like our special clothes?
Yes, yes. I can see your special clothes.
Sock,
Shirt.
short skirts.
Sock, shirt, short skirt. Sock, shirt, short skirt.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
The clothes are fantastic. Are they ready?
Tomorrow, Your Highness. Queen, princesses, please go and see the new clothes.
Yes. Girls? Yes, mother, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4. We will take you to the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will take you to the door.
Dear Queen, dear princesses, we are very happy to see you. Where are the clothes?
The clothes? Here they are, Your Highness.
Where are they?
Here they are, Your Highness. Can you see them?
Only clever people can see them. Silly people can't see them. Yes, yes, we can see them. Look at the gold, the diamonds, the colors.
The gold, the diamonds, the colors.
The red of the rose and the green of the trees.
Yes, yes.
The red of the rose and the green of the trees.
Please tell the king that the new clothes will be ready tomorrow.
Yes, yes, we will go now. Bye.
Goodbye.
They can see the clothes. There aren't any clothes.
I can see the clothes. We can see the colors. Princesses, we know a secret.
A secret?
Listen.
Oh, a secret, a secret, a secret. We know a secret that nobody knows. Tell us the secret, the secret, the secret. That we will keep on the keys of the house. Tell you the secret, then you must give us the kiss on the nose. Please tell us, now we are waiting. This is the secret, there aren't any clothes. Open your eyes, it's a trick, can you see it? Open your eyes, there aren't any clothes. Tomorrow King Philip will look very silly, looking like a baby without any clothes. Ha 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 ha! Oh 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 oh! Looking like a baby without any clothes. Ha 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 ha! Oh 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 oh! Looking like a baby without any clothes.
The new clothes are ready. They are beautiful.
They are beautiful.
I'm so happy. I must see them. I must see them
see my special clothes?
Here they are, Your Highness.
Where are they?
Here they are. Can you see them?
Remember, only clever people can see them.
I know.
Look at this. Look at the gold, the diamonds, the colors.
Yes, the gold, the diamonds and the colors, yes.
The red of the rose and the green of the trees.
Yes, the red and the green, yes.
Do you like our special clothes?
Yes, I like it. They are beautiful.
No, they aren't.
I'm so happy. I must wear them now. Look at me! Look at my special clothes! I am beautiful! Everybody must see my clothes! Lords!
Yes, Your Highness.
I will walk in town today in my new clothes. Look at me! Look at my special clothes! Only clever people can see them.
Ah, look! The king isn't wearing any clothes.
Be quiet!
So, that is the story of Silly King Philip. Can you see his new clothes? Remember, only clever people can see them. Silly people can't see them.